Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Australian dollar, US dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The Aussie dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. Volkswagen shares dropped 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
The Nasdaq plummeted to a one-month low after Tesla and Alphabet disappointed with lackluster earnings, prompting investors to question if the big tech and AI-fueled 2024 equity rally was sustainable in the long run. Bitstamp will begin distributing crypto to Mt. Gox creditors on July the 25th after receiving a large transfer of assets from the trustees of the collapsed exchange a day earlier. The Mt. Gox trustees transferred 5,106 Bitcoin directly to Bitstamp and 2,869 BTC to an unknown address that ended up in wallets associated with Bitstamp. Oil prices rose, supported by large draws in US crude and fuel stocks, but hovered close to their lowest level in 6 weeks due to concerns over weak global demand. Still, prices snapped 3 straight sessions of decline on falling US crude and fuel inventories, as well as growing oil supply risks from Canadian wildfires.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. The US Gross Domestic Product Price Index at 12:30 GMT. The US Gross Domestic Product Annualized at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 7 GMT. The US Durable Goods Orders at 12:30 GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment at 8 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.